Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm back here with a clip taken from a long video, 67 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. If you're interested to have a broader view of the markets, it's an opportunity for you this week to take advantage of my offer, 50% off of my services as part of the Black Friday sale season. I will provide more details about the offer after the clip ends, so if you're interested, please stay on. Otherwise, I wish you have a pleasant viewing and have a great trading week. Bye now. Spot gold. That is the daily scale of spot gold. The bearish forces are fully in command here. They're still pushing the price lower and lower. We broke 100,200. We have not seen a serious attempt to recover that important level marked by the brown line here, just under 1210. No, we have spent quite almost 2 weeks under this important support level, and this is bearish. Whichever way you look at this is bearish. So you can see after this big break, not only that it's bearish, it kept the bearish forces kept pushing it lower and lower, scoring lower lows, and with the prospects of further strength in the dollar index on the horizon, I can't see how this is going to recover. It seems to me like it is likely to continue to look down for quite some time. This is now the 4 hours chart. I was working in previous video, you remember I was talking about the potential of a 1-2, potentially with another 1-2 here. Or we had the structure of an ABC, X, A, B. We were looking for another ABC. This would qualify as a strange B because it is so brief. Okay, but the market is not giving us plenty of other choices here. It appears to me that the move that began here terminated most likely here, with this being 1-2, 1-2, 3-4, 3-4, 5 nailed here, and that could be a B. If that's the case, that could have been our first leg down of the C. Okay, very short term, there could be a brief rebound here. I'll show you here the 30 minutes. And the levels to watch at this point in time are right here. This level is important. It's 11.95. Why is it important? Because if the price manages to run above this level, you can't really work with a 1-2 anymore. Okay, that will be gone. It can jump, let's say, to 11.85. If this is your A, that's your B, that's your C, and then look down, fine, that will work well as a 1-2 down in the third wave. If it breaks down immediately under 11.60, then all the better. It's very clear. We are going down most likely in the third wave. But should it run above 11.95, your 1-2 idea is gone. What will likely happen, in my opinion, is that the B will have to be extended, meaning everything that happens here should still be taken as a B. I will begin to perhaps review my bearish thinking on a first jump above the brown line, but even that is not going to tilt the momentum, in my opinion, in favor of the bulls. We do need, as I said on several occasions, we need a full-scale run through 1,340, which right now doesn't appear to me like it's around the corner. I could be wrong, but that's what is required on the big scale here. Running above the orange line here, yes, this is news. This is roughly coming at 1,250. That will definitely call for reassessment of the wave count and would qualify potentially as a mark of stability if it does something like that. Yes, definitely will revive the situation. Now, it should be abundantly clear to you, any continuous break under the recent lows here at under 11.60 is basically confirming that the bear is fully in command, which I think is the case at this point in time. Now here's silver, that's the weekly. Silver is still enjoying the support of this level just above 16, but you have to ask for how long. For how long is going to enjoy that support. On the weekly we are seeing that in fact the last 2 weeks, it's being after it crossed through the 50 moving average, it is basically looking at the 50 moving average from below. Yes, that's not a good thing. That's not a good thing, and it's really got to recover all the way back above my black line, above 18, to start making noises that there is a sense to consider the bullish case. Right now it is buried. It is buried. There is nothing bullish to say about it at this point. In fact, if you remember, we were working with the option of an A, B, C, X, A. We were looking for a B. The B could have ended. Let's have a look at the daily. Here's our A. The B could have ended. Yeah, with this being an A, B, C, D, E like that. I'll show it to you when I go to the lower time scale. And if that's the case, soon it's going to reverse and basically go south in a sharp way. Let me show you here the 60 minutes. That's our A. That could be taken as an A, B, C, D. And that could be your final leg E. Either terminating here or with a very slight pop like that. Okay. If the first leg, yes, instead of the A, we get a 1-2 structure, and it ended here, that could play out as an A, that could play out as a B that ended here or here, and then it only gives it a bit more room to run on the upside, but not a big deal, towards 17.2, 17.3, and any rally like that, and sinking back under 16.6. Forget it. This is again very bearish price action that will call for a break of the previous low that registered here, and down it goes for at least 2-3 weeks. Here's platinum. Platinum is only talking bearish as far as I can see. Only talking bearish language. This is the weekly with our very clear ABC, and this is still fully under the grip of the bears. It broke through the support here. It's still looking down despite the rally that we have seen on Friday. I don't think it really tilted the odds. If anything, it appears to me like it's preparing for a massive break. If I'm right, this remains 108 to be no change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would register first leg having ended right here. Right here, that's an A, that's a B. The surge that we have seen on Friday and on Thursday is part of a C. So basically, you are looking at a 1, 2, and then a 3 of 3. Okay, if this is a 1, 2, that's going to be a 3 of 3. Some serious drop, continuous drop like that. If the first wave ended here, then that could be taken as an A, that's a B, and you might see it slightly further stretch here in the C, probably towards 950, before it's likely to reverse and break down massively. So you see why I'm not really excited about gold and silver. I don't think that they are preparing a big rally. I could be wrong, but this is what I see here on the 60 minutes for platinum. As I said, if the first leg ended here, that's your A, and that's your A, B, C, D, E, like that. You see triangle going down, and you start counting from here or from here, and that's your surge C that normally would go back to the level of the A, which is roughly 950. If it breaks down immediately, then it's probably telling you that the first wave ended here. That's your A, that's your B, that's your 1, 2, 1, 2. You can do that, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the end. It's breaking down. That's the third wave. Hello, welcome back. I will provide here some details about my offer this week. You need to go on my website. That is wavemastery.com. Yes, www.wavemastery.com. You actually go, you get the front page, which looks like that. And to access the offer, you have two ways of accessing it. You either go to resources and you scroll down the menu, you get here special promotional offer, or you go to subscribe here and you go down, you have special promotional offer. You don't want subscribe here because that is the full rate. Okay, we're talking about the special rate right now, and you click on that, it gives you the right page. You see the offer expires on the 5th of December, and it basically gives you 50% off. The trial is only €1. Okay, for €1 you can subscribe to 1 week of the daily service and 2 weeks of the weekend service. So I suggest you read through that. One thing that is important is to see that you are following the instructions when it comes to select the appropriate plan for you. What is the offer consisting of is basically allowing you to go on a trial for very little money, and then if you like what you see and you like to go on the plan, the monthly plan, you're allowed to basically go on a 50% off normal price for 1 year. That means 12 monthly payments. For example, in the case of the daily service, you'll pay 79 instead of 159, and in the case of the weekend service, right here, you'll pay 29 instead of 59. Do you see? Now, VAT charges are applicable mostly in case of European countries. So please pay attention when you select the plan. What you do, you see, for example, if you are from Europe, you have to see this is the plan for Germany or Cyprus, people from Germany or Cyprus. Then this Austria, Bulgaria, Estonia, France, Slovakia, Greece, Ireland, you see, depending from where you come from. And if you don't see your country and you come from Europe, unless you come from Belgium, please let me know, because it's possible that I left you out. I didn't cover all the countries. I covered most of the countries. Okay, so that is one thing to bear in mind. You just click on this, it takes you through the process. Another thing, if you come from the US, you come from the UK, you come from Belgium, and other non-EU countries, you come from Asia, you come from Australia, okay, you come from Japan, you don't pay VAT. So you just get a flat rate of 79. And what happens if you subscribe, for example, you click on the button subscribe, bear in mind you're not going to pay 79 right away. You're going to pay only €1. Okay, only €1. People sometimes get confused. You pay only €1, and that's for the first week. As I said, if you like what you see, you don't do anything, and then the scheduled monthly payments, the installments begin to kick in. 79 for each month. Okay, and at the end of those 12 months, normally their subscription expires unless there is a different offer coming up, or but by then you will get to know me a bit and we can discuss whatever is of interest to you. Right here on the page of the PayPal payment page, you see my full name, Aaron Fatal. I prefer that people call me Ronnie. That's the name all my friends call me, Ronnie. That's the name that you see on my website. You just go through that. If you have an account, you know what you have to do. If not, you just fill this in, you pay, and PayPal sends you back to my website. Okay, it sends you back to the website. It sends you back to a page basically where you have to fill in your details. So please provide the details for your country. If you are paying VAT, I definitely need street address, full name and all that. It's just because, there is VAT control and I don't want to get into a mess with these guys. So please provide the essential information. You will see which information is absolutely necessary. And it's also good for my statistics, for my website to know from where people come, etc. So even if you come from China or Japan or Australia, I would like to have the details. So please fill them in. Once you fill in the details, you're going to fall immediately on the service that you subscribe to. If you subscribe to the daily service, you're going to immediately be presented with a page with all the links for the daily video classified by date. And if you subscribe to the weekend service, you are going to fall on the page for the weekend service. Okay, if you have any issue, any problem, please contact me. Don't worry about anything. Just contact me. I am based in Belgium, so if you contact me while I am resting, obviously you're not going to get a reply quickly. But if you contact me during the day or as soon as I see basically your email, I will reply on the spot. Okay, and any other questions that you have, don't hesitate, write to me here. Give me please exact email address, because otherwise I don't know how to get back to you. Okay, name, message. This is primary school maths. You go through that, you submit, and I get it. I will reply as soon as I can. So other than that, I have nothing to add. I think it is really an opportunity for you to have a look at all the other very exciting opportunities that are currently in the markets. The world doesn't end with gold and silver. There are plenty of other opportunities, and if you're an active trader, I'm sure you will find value in my service. I'm absolutely certain. And if you're a long-term investor, I'm also confident, very confident, that you will find excellent value in my service. For example, in this weekend's video, I have introduced an opportunity that could be good for at least 2-3 years. So if you're a guy that likes to sit on his investments, I've got the right thing for you. I have already doubled my money on that position since the bottom that it hit, and I am not intending to sell at all. This is good for 2-3 years run. So here you are. This is just an idea I'm sharing with you. All the best. Hope to see you on my website. Bye now.